Welcome to dinner at the Donovans. We're having some nice mackerel tonight in a Sri Lankan style curry. Cinnamon, curry leaves, turmeric, numerous spices, and this little root vegetable. It's a little taro. We're gonna put these through here. We're gonna whack them in the air fryer and just. As well as some spinach, I'm going to pop in some snake beans in. Now I've just sealed the mackerel off. These beautiful little curry leaves here, I'm just going to pop them in the spices. Turmeric, ground coriander. We'll just release those flavours. Now for the coconut cream. 3 little cinnamon quills. Back in with the curry leaves. Let's add the snake beans. Simmer away. Alright guys, we're getting towards the end of this. Add this in the last minute. Here we have my take on a Sri Lankan mackerel curry. Now hook in.